Jose Rizal is more than just a national hero. He was a writer, doctor, and poet who used his intelligence and courage to fight for the freedom of Filipinos. Through his novel Noli Me Tangere and El Filiburismo, Rizal exposed the injustice, corruption, and abuse experienced by Filipinos during the Spanish colonial period. Instead of violence, Rizal believed in the power of education, truth, and faithful reform to bring change to society. The importance of Rizal ideas, the Philippines government passed Republic Act 1425, also known as the Rizal Law. This law requires students to study life, work, and writing of Jose Rizal, especially Noli Me Tangere and El Filiburismo. The purpose of Rizal Law is not simply to memorize historical facts, but to strengthen nationalism, critical thinking, and love for country among Filipino youth. Relevance to today's society. Even today, many of the problems Rizal wrote about still exist. Among them is corruption. Corruption happens when people in authority use their power to personal gain, instead of serving the public. This weakens trust in government and slow national progress. Second is social inequality. Social inequality exists when people do not have equal access to education, healthcare, and opportunities, creating unfair gap between the rich and the poor. Misinformation. Misinformation, especially on social media, spread false or misleading information that confuse people and influence wrong decisions. Lastly, is abuse of power. Abuse of power occurs when the leader misuses their authority to control or exploit others, leading to injustice and violence of citizens' rights. That's why Rizal Law reminds us that real change starts with an educated, informed, and social aware citizens, especially the youth. Rizal is not just a hero from the past. His ideas continue to guide Filipino today. Rizal is not about looking back. Is it about preparing the youth to think critically, stand for the truth, and help build a better future for the Philippines?